Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanka kuya pani mu channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas Zimbabwe, takuigirai nyaya yaburiswa na former military intelligence officer Comrade Neva Masquera say amabuda chitoraya vachiti the South African government iri aware and iri kumonitor vanhu vakatumwa kuzouraya the former cabinet ministers Zvese Kasukuwere and MaAssasins. Masquera say uyo anova close ally of the two former cabinet ministers abuda achitaura iye achiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa wada kuuraya MaAssasins pamwechete naKasukuwere akabuda achitaura iye on his ex handle akati extraterritorial SA authorities are now aware of and monitoring a notorious and corrupt Zimbabwean businessmen tasked with setting up hit squads to eliminate exiled Mnangagwa rivals. Masquera say is that there is a certain business person who has been tasked to set up the hit squad. Businessman who is known has been directly tasked to undertake the recruitment of top incabis. And na whenever Masquera say Zimbabwe is when President Emmerson Mnangagwa vari believe the two vari kushanda na deputy Constantino Chiwenga vari kuaya for a top post pari kupera the term President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Ndofunga mazuva apfuura Masquera say vakanga vabuda zvakare vachitaura ivo vachiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa is planning to eliminate his political rivals. Vabuda vachitaura ivo vachita zvinoomera mushe muma weeks nemamanzi ari kuuya kuchaita a mass slaughter apo prominent politicians akatargetwa kuuraiwa muri Zimbabwe. So zviri kunzi Zvese Kasukuwere pakuti naMzembi vari kunzi vari kufanira kuurayirwa mota dzavo kana kuti mudzimba dzavo. Zvakare zviri kunzi Vice President Constantino Chiwenga pamwechete navarugedye pamwechete navasanyatwe naKasukuwere naNelson Chamisa, and they must be neutralized muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziye kuti nyaya chokwadi here kana kuti kwatiri kuita zviri kunzi this operation yekueliminate marivals aPresident Emmerson Mnangagwa iri kutungamirirwa naGeneral Moyo avo the military intelligence department ava nefaction iri aligned to the Mnangagwa family. Vakabuda vachiposta on his ex handle vaneva Masquera say vachitaura ivo vachiti blood is now literally on the floor, with various hit teams having been tasked to carry out the mass slaughter of the coming weeks and months. The South African contingent of Zvese Kasukuwere and MaAssasins must be found dead in their cars or burnt in their houses. Masquera say aenda mberi zvakare achiti specific details of the operation are that Chiwenga, Rugedye, Sanyatwe, Kasukuwere, MaAssasins and Nelson Chamisa must be neutralized as soon as possible to prevent a potential whirlwind that seems to be tormenting in Mnangagwa in his dreams daily. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa's operation to eliminate rivals is being led by General Moyo of the military intelligence department faction aligned to the dynasty cabal. Neva Masquera say muri Zimbabwe tingaziva kuti tinoenda sei nyaya iyi ingava iri chokwadi kana kuti kutaura kwatiri kuita. There's a fresh accident yakaitika recently apo varugedye mota yavo yakabva vhiri, vanhu vakabuda vachispeculator kuti he was targeted, aida kuassassinatwa muri Zimbabwe. Accident iyi runzi yakaitika kuMount Pleasant yakaitika mushure mekunge one of mavhiri emota yavo akabva muri Zimbabwe zvakapotsa zvakonzeresa kuti mota yavo iwanikwe ichioverturna. So my sources are close to the matter akareveala kuti the vehicle yakasevwa from kuflipa payakarovera padombo zvakasiya varugedye prominent political figure in both military and political spheres vari vapenyu ende vasina kukuwara. Though attempts akaitwa kuti this accident iwanikwe ichiwandiswa, masources ari within ZANU-PF akabuda achiconfirm accident iyoyo. Varugedye pavakakontaktwa vakareply vachitaura ivo vachiti ndiani akanga aburitsa information iyoyo before ramba kukomenta fedha zvinei mapictures emota yavari kucirculata pasocial media iyo yamuri kuona iri apo. This near fatal accident yakaitika mushure mekunge pane the death of an Air Commodore Peter Zimondi and Director General of Administration in the Air Force of Zimbabwe avo vakaitawo accident vakashaika this month. Zimondi ava a powerful figure within the military vakasakamba to injuries from a suspicious road accident yakaitika muna July. So vakaspenda weeks vari intensive care kusvika pavakazowanikwa vachifa. Kushaikwa kwavo kwakakonzera speculations and pamusoro pema-growing internal conflicts arimo mucountry within the military and political elites muZimbabwe. So vaenja Rugeje vari kunzi he was a key ally of Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, and zvakare vari kunzi he played a pivotal role coup yakaitika mugore ra2017 iyo yakakonzerwa President Robert Mugabe vawanikwa vachibviswa pachigaro. So at the time Rugeje vari kunzi he was part of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces leadership iyo yakaorchestrate the Operation Restore Legacy, a military intervention yanga iri aimed at removing Robert Mugabe from power. So marumors ari kubuda ari kunzi ivo vaRugeje vaida kuassassinatwa in order to weaken Vice President Constantine Chiwenga. Yakabuditswa neZMI vachitaura vachiti retired Army General and ZANU-PF Politburo member Enjopet Rugeje narrowly escaped death after a mysterious car accident in Harare. The accident, which occurred in Mount Pleasant, involved one of the wheels of his vehicle suddenly flying off, nearly causing the car to overturn. Sources close to the matter revealed that the vehicle was saved from flipping over when it hit rocks, leaving Rugeje, a prominent figure in both the military and political spheres, shaken but unharmed. Though attempts have been made to keep the accident under wraps, sources within ZANU-PF confirmed the incident. When contacted, Rugeje expressed surprise, replying, "Who gave you this information? Where did you get that?" before refusing to comment further. This near-fatal accident follows the mysterious death of Air Commodore Peter Zimondi, Director General of Administration in the Air Force of Zimbabwe, earlier this month. Zimondi, a powerful figure within the military, succumbed to injuries from a suspicious road accident in July, having spent weeks in intensive care. His passing has intensified speculation about growing internal conflicts within the country's military and political elite. Enjopet Rugeje, a key ally of Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, played a pivotal role in the 2017 coup that led to the ousting of long-time ruler Robert Mugabe. At the time, Rugeje was part of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces leadership, which orchestrated Operation Restore Legacy, a military intervention aimed at removing Mugabe from power and installing Emmerson Mnangagwa as president. Rugeje's military background made him a central figure in the coup's execution. Following Mugabe's removal, Rugeje was appointed as ZANU-PF's National Political Commissar in 2018. However, his tenure was short-lived, and in 2019 he was replaced by a war veteran Victor Matemadanda. Matemadanda was later moved to Mozambique as Zimbabwe's ambassador, with Mike Bima assuming the position in 2021. Rugeje's removal from this strategic post is believed to have been part of Mnangagwa's efforts to weaken Chiwenga's military allies within the party. His narrow escape from the recent accident has raised concerns about targeted attacks on senior military figures loyal to Chiwenga, as tensions between Mnangagwa and his deputy continues to escalate. Insiders within the Central Intelligence Organization, CIO, have disclosed that there is an assassination list targeting at least 5 generals, all of whom are said to be aligned with Chiwenga. These officers are reportedly marked for their involvement in the 2017 coup and their continued loyalty to the vice president, who remains a powerful figure in Zimbabwe's military and political landscape. The death of Air Commodore Peter Zimondi has only heightened suspicions. Zimondi, who held his position since 2018, was not only a key figure within the AFZ, but also connected to the powerful Zimondi and Shiri families, both of whom have seen senior members die under suspicious circumstances in recent years. Zimondi's brother, Parazai Zimondi, the former Commissioner General of the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services, and their cousin, the late Air Force Commander Perence Shiri, also died in questionable circumstances during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, with yet another high-ranking military figure involved in a suspicious accident, fears of coordinated effort to eliminate Chiwenga supporters are mounting. The growing spat of accidents and mysterious deaths within Zimbabwe's military elite points to an intensifying power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. Since the 2017 coup, Mnangagwa has systematically sidelined or removed military officers perceived to be loyal to Chiwenga, consolidating his own power base ahead of any potential leadership contest. As the battle for supremacy continues, Mnangagwa is believed to be mobilizing his political allies to prevent Chiwenga from ascending to the presidency. This has placed the generals who played crucial roles in the coup and who remain close to Chiwenga in a vulnerable position, with many now reportedly fearing for their lives. The recent accidents involving Rugeja and Zimondi suggest that the internal conflict within Zimbabwe's ruling elite is far from over, with assassination attempts and targeted killings becoming a new frontier in the fight for control of the country's leadership. Regime muri Zimbabwe tisingazivi kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi indofunga Susan Mutami akambobuda achipa warning kumagenerals achiti they should check matires avo for mapetrol bombs ari kusetwa imomo. Tisingazivi kuti zviri related here kunyaya iyi kana kuti tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.